Ever wonder how people buy real estate in the metaverse? Here are the 6 most popular crypto coins for buying real estate in the metaverse. First, why buy real estate in the metaverse? Investing is a significant trade-off between risk and possible profit, but it may also feel like gambling at times, particularly when you're venturing into a new and unfamiliar area. Take the metaverse, for example. Virtual real estate is the most talked about investment right now, but it isn't new or without merit. If you've got the stomach for it, I believe you should invest in well-selected metaverse real estate. Here are 3 simple reasons why we think you should buy real estate in the metaverse. 1. Commercial brands are launching themselves fully into the metaverse. For instance, Nike. Nike wants to make sure that every avatar in the metaverse wears Nike shoes, and they're going all out to make that happen. It isn't waiting to see what other companies are doing, because it knows exactly what drives these platforms and how it can benefit from them. 2. Real estate developers are pushing millions of dollars into the metaverse. For instance, Republic Realm recently broke a record by purchasing a $4.3 million plot of land on the Metaverse platform, The Sandbox, beating a previous record set by Tokens.com for a $2.5 million purchase of land in Decentraland. 3. The price you'll pay for virtual real estate is determined by many of the same criteria that go into determining the value of real estate, such as location, size, existing structures, and demands, which are all important considerations. For example, a lot of land with asset ID land number 33,316 on the Sandbox sold for $13,140.81 in 2021, yet it only got $38.70 when it initially sold in 2020. A Decentraland's land was sold for $452.98 in December 2017, but was resold for $26,246.25 on December 8, 2021. The sale of non-fungible tokens as virtual real estate or land in the metaverse is gaining popularity. Although these properties are not physically accessible, the attractiveness of this investment resides in the fact that they are backed by forgery-proof certificates recorded on the blockchain. This trend has sparked the interest of individuals looking for innovative ways to invest in real estate. People are willing to spend thousands of dollars on them in the hopes of making a fortune. In the next 16 months, they predict triple-digit growth. Virtual real estate isn't a brand new idea. Metaverse Group, which runs the virtual Decentraland platform, was one of the first to enter the space. However, since Facebook changed its name to Meta, the concept has sparked a lot of attention, with investors speculating on the impact on numerous metaverse games and associated crypto assets. Properties are particularly popular in the NFT-based worlds of Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and the Sandbox. These projects' corresponding cryptocurrency prices have soared as well, with Decentraland's Mana token up 4,258% in the previous year. Google search volumes for these terms have increased dramatically quickly, indicating public interest. Now that you have seen the 3 reasons we think you should buy real estate in the metaverse, let's talk about the 6 most popular crypto coins for buying real estate in the metaverse. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your research before investing and invest wisely. Number 1. Ether symbol. ETH Ether is the native currency of the Ethereum blockchain and is used to compensate nodes for performing computations in the Turing-complete instruction set of the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM. These instructions form the backbone of smart contracts and digital asset ownership, which are recorded and issued upon the Ethereum blockchain. Number 2. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a trading and battling game where players can acquire, breed, grow, battle, and trade axes, creatures. Number 3. Sandbox. The Sandbox is a community-driven platform where creators can use the blockchain to monetize voxel assets and gaming experiences. Number 4. Decentraland. in an Ethereum smart contract. Land is a non-fungible, transferable, and scarce digital asset. It may be obtained by purchasing Mana, an ERC20 token. Mana can also be used to buy digital goods and services in real life. People are increasingly spending time in virtual worlds, both for fun and work. This is most common in two-dimensional interfaces like the web and mobile phones. A traversable 3D world, on the other hand, offers an immersive element as well as proximity to other content, allowing for physical clusters of communities. Decentraland, unlike other virtual worlds and social networks, is not heavily influenced by a centralized organization. Number 5. Gala. Gala is a gaming and NFT platform based on Ethereum and BSC that aspires to create a blockchain gaming ecosystem. A platform for FT games, Gala games, and an NFT marketplace are among the platform's features. Gala Store. Users can engage in network governance and consensus, play games, trade NFT and play games. And number 6. Engine Coin. Engine has been extensively connected with the game industry since its inception in 2009. In the same year, the company established the Engine Network, a gaming community network that has grown to over 20 million players for a decade. Engine established itself as a prominent blockchain ecosystem developer in 2017, following a successful $18.9 million ICO by developing a suite of user-first blockchain tools that allow anybody to easily create, manage, trade, store, explore, distribute, and connect blockchain assets. Engine's tools and services, which were developed for the gaming industry, may now be used by businesses of all sizes and industries that are looking to develop blockchain products or leverage tokenized digital assets as part of their acquisition, retention, engagement, and monetization strategies. Final thoughts. The digital world is changing at the speed of light. The endless possibilities and innovations in recent times show that the next 20 years will see a major shift in our world. Things we know now will become obsolete, and cutting-edge technology will make a huge way. One such technology is the Metaverse. We never can be too sure, but if Facebook has rebranded itself as Meta, and Apple has been using more avatars in recent WWDC events, as well as Microsoft, are all competing for a huge slice of the metaverse, then it's something huge. Before you might fully understand it, you might have missed the train.
It's about the journey.